Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the month of August and we will see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming month. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's move on with your reading. Before that, I want to tell you, while I was doing pre-shuffling, the messages which I got, the cards were 3 of Wands, 7 of Wands, and what else did we had? I don't remember the card. Okay, so the message was actually telling me that there is some kind of a weight. You have to take a decision. Yes, death card was also there. So there was a decision which needed to be made, but you want to communicate with someone. You were waiting for that communication, but for that communication to happen, you really had to fight. Okay, and for some of you, you already know that this situation has ended. Like if you are involved with some person or in any situation, you know that the situation has been ended and there is no moving forward that situation. And this waiting is actually, you are waiting for something which is not going to happen. So that is the message which actually I got. So let's move on with your reading now. Let's see what are the cards for you. So let's continue. Okay, so one more shuffle please, last shuffle. All right, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. A lot is going on in your life. I'm seeing that you're still waiting for something. At the end is the High Priest or Hierophant. Might be dealing with a Taurus over here. Alright, so I'm seeing that you have faith. You have faith. You have a lot of faith in God. I'm seeing that you are praying for something. You actually, somewhere deep down inside your heart, you know that something will happen. Whatever the situation is, I'm seeing that you have a lot of faith in God, and you might be reading Bible or your religious books. So I'm seeing that you are in connection with the God. See this with this King of Cups also, this person is reading. So I'm seeing that you are doing that thing, while connecting with God. You are actually expressing your needs and your wants, whatever you want in life. If you want this person or something you want, so that is what you are actually working for, your that thing. So your past energies are 8 of Swords, King of Rods and 10 of Rods. There was a big something, in your past energies. I got the 10 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. I'm seeing that you were tired of something. Might be this person might even made you feel like you are a loser. You have nothing, you cannot do anything, and you, because of that fear, you were feeling like, oh my God, I'm nothing in my life. With the King of Rods over here, this person was actually attacking you. I'm seeing that this person might be a very big person, might be good in reputation, has a lot of money and everything, in a good situation over there, in doing a government job or something like that, IAS or anything. So this person made you feel that you are nothing, and might be dealing with an Aries over here. Okay, let's see. Your present cards are Knight of Pentacles, the Chariot and King of Cups. With the Chariot and King of Cups, you might be dealing with a Cancer or a Scorpio over here, or Capricorn. So I'm seeing that You are, you know something. You are really feeling something that everything will be fine. You are very optimistic. You want to move on with this person and you are waiting for something, for a communication to happen. Okay. Let's see. What are your future cards? The World, the High Priestess, and Four of Pentacles. I guess Virgo also got Four of Pentacles over here. There, I don't know why, but I'm feeling that this person is not letting some things go. Might be this person has a different family, a different world of, a different world, basically, a different lifestyle, a different type of living. Something this person is not able to let go of. If you are very optimistic, I'm seeing that you are thinking about this person, but deep down inside, you know something. You know that this person might not even come to me, might not even talk to me, but I don't know why you are still waiting. Okay, let's clarify. Let's clarify the High Priest in your overall reading. Overall card. What is the High Priest over here? What is the High Priest over here? What is the High Priest, please? Alright. Okay, so we have one more card. Queen of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. You are emerging very beautifully. I'm telling you, Aquarians, you are into deep self-work over here. I'm seeing for some of you, you are just becoming, more beautiful day by day. You are working on yourself because if this communication is meant to happen, it will happen. You are very optimistic. You are engaging yourself into meditation. You are praying to God daily. You are doing other stuff as well, which makes you look beautiful, which makes you look happy, and basically you are doing those things whatever is making you happy. Okay, so with the Queen of Swords, somewhere deep down inside, you are actually accepting that okay, if we are not meant to be together, it's fine. Sometimes it's fine if you are not meant to be together. So that is why I'm seeing that you are becoming a very beautiful version of yourself. You are actually, because in your past this person made you feel really terrible, I'm seeing. So that is why it's you who knows, you know your self-worth. You know how to love yourself. You are engaging into more of a self-work, self-love situation over here. So I want to clarify this King of Rods in your past readings. In your past card, what is this King of Swords? The Emperor, Aries, a lot of Aries, and see, I'm telling you, King of Rods with the Emperor. See, both are actually wearing same kind of clothes. Oh my god, see, red and yellow, and they are in same page basically. This person with whom you were dealing with was very arrogant, I'm telling you. Might be a Capricorn as well with the Devil. So with the Eight of Pentacles, this person actually made you feel terrible. I'm seeing that this person was very demanding. This person had some kind of more hopes from you and from himself as well. Might be really involved in working, just deep into their work, and whatever they want from money. So that is why this person is like, I am doing so much of work, and what are you doing? You are just sitting at home and you are doing nothing. So that is something which is actually made you feel that you are nothing. So, but this was a really toxic relationship, I'm telling you. If this is not toxic, there is some kind of a karma attached with this person. Some past life karma is there. Okay, so let's see what is this Knight of Pentacles in your present reading. Present card, Knight of Pentacles, please. What is this Knight of Pentacles? The Hierophant, Ten of Swords, and Four of Swords. I'm seeing that optimism, that positive side of yours is making you, you know that I'm feeling that you are ready to heal now. You know that something is ending and I really need to heal now. You are a person where you have a lot of trust in God. I'm seeing that. See how this person is pointing towards the sky. You know, this is a belief, this is a faith on God that if this person is meant to be with me, he or she will come back to me. And you are in a healing mode. You really want to move on in your life, no matter how much you are working, how much you are loving this person, that love in you will never end. I'm not saying with this person, for this person, I'm saying that the way you love a person will never end, whether it is this person or some other person. You have a lot of love inside you. You have a lot of, love to give to another person. With the King of Cups, I'm really sure about it. Let's clarify this King of Cups. What is this King of Cups in the present cards? Okay, 7 of Wands, the Empress, 5 of Swords and 6 of Wands. Okay. You are in that stage where you actually were very happy that I am with this person, or there is some kind, for some of you it is a really that kind of a message where I'm seeing that. I don't know why a term arrogance is coming up again and again in my mind, and I'm feeling that it's not you, it's the other person. When you become when the 6 of Wands come, it really means that you should never take your success to your head. 6 of Wands is nothing, it is just a small victory, small success, and because of that success, that person start becoming egoistic. And then when you become egoistic, then 7 of Wands come up. When you are alone standing, you are fighting for the same thing, which actually made the same people who were actually very happy with you when you actually gain a lot of success, but because of your ego, those are the same people which are now hunting you down, which are actually making you which are telling you that you are nothing now. So I'm not feeling that it's you, because you are in a very beautiful stage. You are working on yourself, you are meditating, you are doing yoga, you are praying to God daily, you are going to your temples, gurdwara, mosque, wherever you are, you actually feel, you actually meet peace, and you are doing a lot of work for yourself, and you want to move on, I'm seeing. But this person is now going through a hell, I'm telling you. This person, because he or she was working, I'm seeing that they were in that stage where nobody can disturb them. That arrogance has come up in their life, and with this, you are becoming so beautiful, you are becoming the best version of yourself, and this person is going through really some kind of hardships, I'm seeing. Let's see the world over here in the future energies. What is this world card telling us, please? 3 of rods, Page of Pentacles, and one more card. Okay, I'll take this card. Okay. Judgment, the World, and the Fool. Okay. Yeah, I got it. See, the first is Judgment, 20th number, then 21, World, then 0. So this means the world means that there is judgment, means a decision has been taken. I'm seeing that you have decided to move forward in your life, and whatever this cycle was, I'm seeing that with the world, some kind of a cycle is ending. I'm seeing that this cycle is ending with this person, and you are moving forward, and you are exploring something new in your life. With the Fool, it's more of like, you know, exploring new places, exploring new tasks, exploring some work, basically doing something which actually might make you happy, which will make you satisfied, because you are already working on yourself. You are 9 of coins over here. You are emerging so beautiful in your life, and people are actually, you know, they are seeing you, they are seeing the good things, they are seeing that confidence on your face now. And with the Page of Pentacles over here, I'm seeing that you might be, some of you might be traveling either for some kind of work or some kind of studies. So I'm seeing that you are entering into some kind of school, or, you know, no matter how much age you are in, but you are starting something new in your life. And for some of you, with the Devil over here, with the Capricorn, so I would like to tell you that if this process, if you are going to through this process, and you are in your 29 and 30s, or whatever your age is, that doesn't matter, but there is a Saturn return going on. So till December, the things might take you in different level, but if you are thinking to start something new, if you are getting more interested towards another things, like, you know, you were a teacher from such a long time, but all of a sudden you are interested towards medical stuff, basically something in some other field you are starting gaining so much of interest. So that is because of the Saturn return which is going on, which is happening in Capricorn. All right, so if that is going on, so do not panic and do what is actually making you happy. Okay, let's clarify this Four of Pentacles over here. Knight of Rods. See, I'm seeing you are becoming very passionate now. You are entering school, you are working, you are studying more stuff. With the I have Knight of Swords as well. So this is coming really fast, I'm saying that. Okay, so let's see what the universe has as an advice for my Aquarians. Let's see what advice do you have, my Aquarians, please. Let's see for my Aquarians, advice for my Aquarians. Let's see, one more shuffle. I will take 3 cards. Ace of Rods, Knight of Rods, and Knight of Swords again. See, Knight of Rods, Knight of Swords, Knight of Rods, and Knight of Swords. Alright. So you are definitely entering into, the universe is also actually, the advice from the universe is the same, that if you are entering in some kind of new activity, some kind of new passion which you just saw in yourself, something new which you never thought that I would ever enter in this kind of new passion, new beginnings. So don't be afraid and go towards it, go towards that with force. All right, don't think now. The time for thinking is finished now. Just go and put your hard work in whatever thing you want to do in life. Alright, so that's all from my side, Aquarians. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.